Sash. Uh,
ulireyizele duku mara lo referee.
ngale angi-understand ukuthi angibonanga offside lapha. I don't know what was happening lapha.
Welcome to African referees, African license.
Hayi, Gaten McKenzie babhizi lapha basifakele i-VAR. Liyaduma
But
lapha.
what is the hold up?
Liyaduma lapha.
Mm.
Oy, naive. Yava liyaduma. Yava liyaduma.
What is the hold up? Yini into lebambile? The problem is that now they must give ilo PSL bayinike bo-ref because now bo-ref ma-officiating what aphethwe isafa. That's the problem yalo kune-hold up lengaka kahle kahle tikwe VAR.
So wonke lama-ref la officiate le midlalo ye-PSL
Under
under SAF.
isafa.
Okay.
Which means yonke into lethi officiating nje i-under isafa.
So isafa must kufanele ikhiphe imali ke ifake i-VAR.
And yale PSL ithe yona nina nifuna kufaka i-VAR, right? We will just sit back,
Yeah,
do everything.
Yeah, fakani
Fakani
VAR.
VAR.
Anzi faka VAR fakani. I-PSL inayo ipower yokuyifaka, but they have the money.
Because if i-PSL mina I believe i-PSL ngiyo lebenze bo-ref ba-under yona.
Yeah.
Bekumele ngabe nje sesine-VAR.
Yeah. So isafa, but isafa bathi abanamali kahle mos. So I understand why banganamali.
Siyabonga guys nilikeako, siyabonga ukusilikeela stream. Nani lenisfollow-ako siyabonga ukusifollow.
So
Sundowns is currently leading 1-0.
So hayi angiyitholi nje. So my ref under isafa. That's why sometimes ubona bagqoka uniform le outdated sometimes.
Yes. They are under isafa bore. They are not under EPSL.
Ngiyabona sponsor sabo ngathi bekuyi-Showmax. I don't know if Showmax now ayisekho la.
Kwaba i-Ultrarance, you remember they were wearing
Yes.
I
remember that. And then kwaba i-Showmax. I-Showmax ngiyibonile.
Yeah, Showmax.
But manje yini manje? Because I couldn't see. Amara, is this different? This must be like a CAF thing.
Yeah, this is different. It's CAF.
Yeah, no, I understand now. This is CAF. So the referees, so the officials here are different. The match officials. Okay, I thought.
Gaten McKenzie, they are not doing their job. They are not doing their job.
Yeah. Currently they are working on VAR, and this guy, I don't know, they got from America or something, or no, not America, man, the UK. Yeah, he's here to help with the VAR shit. So sesimele lo ubona ukuthi bayayifaka or kanjani.
It's a lot nje. We don't want politics la. Niyambona Gaten McKenzie ufuna kufaka nje indaba tepolitiki ebholeni.
Politician. So angathi ukuthi But VAR, iyafunakala shem ebholeni. VAR is a good idea and it needs to be there. Doesn't matter whether my judge ayakufavor or ayikufavor. Mele ibe khona i-VAR so that if another question ku-VAR. If the referee judge, so referee saw something and okay, ni rafile penalty. And then lama player of the opposite side appeal, like they're saying, no, it wasn't a penalty, I didn't do 1, 2, 3. Does that make the referee go to VAR, or the referee will always go to VAR, especially if it's something like a penalty?
If VAR, they don't care about it, complain about my player.
Yeah.
The only people that are eligible go tell a referee, it's okay, come and see.
Yeah.
Ngilaba labatikwe control room lama official latikwe control room tikwe VAR. If maybe a replay was okay nabo babona ukuthi referee kumele etha ukuthi checkela yena tikwe screen.
Yeah.
Then nangabe uyastanda from le decision la yena utawuchubeka, but at least kuba ngibo labamtshela ukuthi okay come utothi bukela from yeah. Kuthi nini ya streamer nendana
korile lupop.
Bafana belupo.
Korile lupop. Korile lupop.
Izinja.
Yalwalufeva
Mina ungawini basandona, congratulations bangadliwa ngiyabaseka. Angidlali njalo.
I'm confused.
Angifevi lutho namuhla ngikutshela yathi neutral nakukora ilupopo ngiyajabula.
I'm confused. I'm going to borrow.
Mr. Freedom, prediction yakho is going to the drain manje.
Yeah, so 1-1.
1-1. Nami prediction in 3-0 already say